Mama Nature here. We're going to go through a very basic meditation now. So make sure that your room is prepared exactly the way you like it. You're wearing comfortable clothes, you're sitting comfortably, and your feet are flat on the floor. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take a nice deep inhale. And release it. Another nice deep breath in. And blow it out. One more nice big cleansing breath. And as you blow it, allow all of the stress to drain from your body. Now you're completely relaxed. Your hands are in your lap. And you're ready to receive your blessings from Spirit, from your blessed higher self. Allow ideas or phrases to just emerge into your consciousness from within. Phrases that are big and general enough to encompass everything, to encompass all life everywhere. An example is, may I live in safety. May I be happy and feel love. May I be healthy. May I live a life of ease. Repeat these phrases on your own over and over again. And allow your mind to rest in them. You can use your mala beads and repeat over and over again, may I be healthy. May I be healthy. May I be healthy. And as this phrase repeats in your mind, you'll get different images, different feelings. You may hear something said to you. You may get a feeling that there's an intention coming to you. You may even smell something, a flower or a favorite food or the cologne of someone who's passed. Be open to all of these experiences. May I live in safety. May I be happy. May I feel love, and may I be healthy. May I live with ease. Now think of someone you care about, a good friend, or someone who's helped you, or someone who inspires you. Hold a picture of them firmly in your mind. And then say their name to yourself. Get a feeling for their presence, and then direct these phrases to them. Imagine that this person is sitting with you, and you're able to say, may you live in safety. May you be happy. May you feel love. And may you be healthy. Say it several times until you feel complete, until you feel that they actually have taken this energy in. Think of someone who is struggling and offer them these phrases. May you live in safety. May you be happy. May you feel love. May you be healthy. Beautiful. When we connect with these phrases, aiming the hearts and energies in this way, We're opening ourselves up to the possibility of including and connecting, caring and love. Ultimately, we open ourselves to all beings everywhere, without distinction, without separation. All people and animals and everything in existence, things that are known to us and unknown, leaving no one and nothing out. May all beings live in safety. May all beings be happy. May they know love, and may they be healthy. May they live a life with ease. Once you've connected completely with these energies, you'll find that you are vibrating at a very high frequency, and you're prepared to receive messages from higher sources, from your blessed higher self, from angels, guides, and other ascended masters. And when you feel complete, you may open your eyes and gradually re-enter the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders a couple of times, and then just give thanks for whatever message came through. Many blessings.